Top 5 apps like LVM or Cologne reviews that actually work today. LVM Bar Cologne is known for its signature scent, but most people get this wrong by not exploring other verified fragrance apps. The surprising truth is there are apps that offer authentic reviews, comparisons, and easy purchases for high-quality colognes. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Fragrancex offers a wide range of authentic colognes with verified customer reviews. Users appreciate competitive pricing and fast shipping. Second, Sephora features designer fragrances with verified reviews and ratings. Customers highlight reliable service and quality packaging. Third, Ulta Beauty provides extensive perfume selections and user feedback. App users love convenient shopping and loyalty rewards. Fourth, Parfum.com offers authentic fragrances with verified customer ratings. Users report trustworthy service and variety. Finally, Amazon features multiple brands and verified reviews. Many users appreciate fast delivery and competitive pricing. Pro tip: always check verified reviews and authenticity before purchasing fragrances. This ensures you enjoy the scent and quality you expect. Using these 5 apps, you can discover and purchase colognes safely while relying on trusted reviews.